Hi, I'm Sri Dati, Estate Manager for Alamora Estate in Tarneit. Alamora is a new flagship community by Villawood Properties. Alamora is a premium community of over 2,000 lots with everything at its doorstep with existing amenities and future amenities. We are very excited to let you know that construction works have started for stages 1 and 2, and stage 3 is not far away. Our civil contractors are on site with large machinery stripping the existing topsoil and cutting and shaping the land to meet the required levels for the roads and the lots. Over the next few weeks, the civil contractors will be excavating trenches for the underground services. The sewer and drainage works will be followed shortly. Stay tuned for more updates in the month of April. Thank you.